Get on it. Get on it. Come on. You can do it. Be careful.
Find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea. I'll sail the world to find you.
Hi everybody, we are back. We're sorry that we've been so far gone, but we're gonna start vlogging again, aren't we? Yes, we are. Make it. Okay. What are you doing? You see Corey is walking and he is big. He's already one, so he's a big boy already. Come on, you're gonna fall. Where are you going? You're gonna fall. So yeah, today is Wednesday. It's August something, I don't know. It's the beginning of August. It's like August 3rd. There you go. It's August 3rd. I'm making breakfast for Corey. He's gonna have some sweet potatoes and he's trying to get the rest. What are you doing? Excuse me, sir. Sir. Hello? Come on, Poopy. You a poopy diaper. Come on. We gotta change it because these stink. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come here. We gotta change your diaper. No? Come here. You found the bra? Can we change your diaper though? You stink. You stinky. You a stinky booby. Guys, he has 2 teeth. Show them your teeth. Let me see. Mwah. Mwah. What are you doing? You're giving the ball kisses? Huh? Your hair looks crazy. Yeah. Well, guys, yeah, we're not doing anything today. A lot of things have changed. Haven't they? But yeah, I don't know what to say. I guess I'll see you guys later. So guys, Corey ate his breakfast already and now I'm in my room. You probably can't hear me because my TV is so fucking loud. Sorry, I cursed. It's so loud. I'm watching Okay Baby. Corey is chilling on my bed playing peekaboo, singing his tongue out. Let's play with him.
This is difficult. He wants to be on his belly and drink the babas. It doesn't work well, guys. Give a booger.
Again?
Give a booger, oh,
You gotta take it off. Oh, you're so cute. So yeah, guys, I have all these 2 things of clothes to fold. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and yeah, I'll let you guys see that if I can find my tripod. Here it is. Found it. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my camera and then I'm gonna start folding clothes, play with Corey, watch Okay Baby, and YouTube videos. So let's do this.
We need to figure it out.
have been slacking. Corey is taking a nap right here, and I'm supposed to be folding clothes. I folded my clothes already, and I still have Corey's clothes, and I have to hang those clothes, so I'm gonna go and put that away. It's my phone. So yeah. But yeah, guys, today I'm gonna wash my hair because you see it's a big mess. So I'm gonna put that clothes away, and I'm gonna go wash my hair. But first, since Corey is taking a nap, I'm just gonna fix my hair really quick. Hold up, let me put you guys on the tripod. Okay, and you guys can sit right here. I have coconut oil in my hair, so it stinks. I need to wash it. Okay, we are gonna go. It's on my tripod. My mirror is really dirty, but yeah. Since Corey is taking a nap, I just wanted to give you guys a quick life update. Let's leave Corey right there. I'm home alone right now. And yeah, guys, so guess what, guys? I got a car. I got my license last week. Yes, I did. I got my license last week. I do have my car. Had my car for a while. Garbage truck. We'll show you guys inside first. It is really hot. It's extremely hot. I'm just gonna turn it on. And yeah, guys, but I do have my car. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go. I don't have insurance yet, so I can't drive it out yet. So, but I am gonna start driving it pretty soon because I'm getting my my insurance next week, so I could actually go out on the road and get with my car. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it back there. The garbage truck is driving by, and yeah, so I got a Honda Accord 2002. It has the past owner, he put a rear camera, so I can have that. It has Bluetooth, so I can connect it to my Bluetooth and everything to my phone. It's pretty cool. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I just switched it to the radio. I'm so excited. Like, it's my car. It's pretty empty right now because I haven't driven it or anything, but it's a used car, you know, for starters. It's a used car. It's just parked in my driveway. It's extremely hot right now, so I'm gonna roll down the window. But yeah, guys, like, I haven't vlogged in so long because I feel like I needed a break. But this is the car on the outside. It's black. It has the sunroof and everything. Let's go on deck. There's a garbage truck. It's parked on the corner, so you guys can see. It's pretty darn amazing. And there's the sunroof. Everything works. That's my sunroof. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start vlogging in here. Hopefully next week you guys will see me driving my own car. It's so hot. It's really hot. I'm burning. But, you know, I just came to warm it up. So, yeah, guys. in the meanwhile, I guess I could tell you guys that I'm not working. I used to work at a beauty salon. I'm not working there anymore. I'm working at home now with my mom. My mom works for this company that they fix, they sell and fix wedding dresses. Like, they do alterations on wedding dresses. So now I'm working with her at home, and I'm getting paid better than what. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, I am working from home now with my mom. I'm getting paid way better, and I get to work on my own schedule. So yeah, guys, you're gonna see a lot more from me. I graduated high school on June. I graduated high school, and I'm gonna start. I'm not going to college yet, but I am starting cosmetology school pretty soon. I start in October. I have a trip, a vacation with my mom and Corey to DR, so you guys will be seeing that. Have my vacations plans already. Everything is booked, so we're just waiting. My birthday is coming up as well, and I have a trip with my three best friends to the beach. We're going for the weekend down the shore here in New Jersey, so that would be interesting. And I just thought this was the perfect time to get back on my YouTube channel because I'm getting more subscribers. I'm almost at 250 subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing. Welcome to the FamBam, and you know, I got my life going already on a roll, so I'm excited about that. And it's more now, I have different stuff going on than before. I was just going to school and working, going to school and working. There was not really a variety of stuff that I was doing, but now I got so much more going on in my life, so I guess it would be more interesting for me to vlog. Maybe now I could start vlogging every day or more often, I hope. But yeah, guys, it is night. It is time for us to go to bed. Corey is ready to go to bed. He already drank his bottle and he's tired. We're gonna go to sleep now. Well, he's gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna edit this video. I already have music playing on the TV because that's how he likes going to sleep. And yeah, we'll see you guys on our next vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.